Hey everybody, Mansoor Suhail from My Learning Center welcomes you. Today, we're going to talk about 10 essential steps for launching a successful startup. Setting up your business can be both thrilling and challenging. Those looking to become entrepreneurs need to plan and carry out their business concepts strategically to turn them into startups. In this manual, we will discuss the 10 steps required to establish a business that not only survives but flourishes in today's competitive market. Each phase plays a role in establishing a foundation for a profitable venture, starting from evaluating the viability of your business idea to understanding industry trends, financial planning, and managing risks. Evaluating the feasibility of your business idea before diving into the world of entrepreneurship. It's crucial to analyze whether your business idea is feasible. The first step is to evaluate how well your concept aligns with market trends and demands. Conducting market research and understanding the industry landscape can provide insights into the potential demand for your product or service. Financial planning and budgeting play a role in assessing your business feasibility as they help you forecast expenses and revenue streams. Risk management is another aspect of evaluating feasibility, involving identifying obstacles and devising strategies to address them. By identifying your target market, you can tailor your offerings to meet specific customer needs effectively. Evaluating the viability of your business idea sets the foundation for an informed and strategic approach to entrepreneurship. So what are you waiting for? Check out the link in the description to explore the steps for kickstarting your business. Our detailed guide offers a step-by-step approach to initiating your journey. And yes, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your buddies, and ring the notification bell to stay updated on content that can help broaden your understanding. Thank you for watching.